Falls. He plans on attending Harvard University or Cornell University and pursue a career in philosophy. Hassan is the captain of our debate team and the director of debate for Junior State of America and was recently recognized as an all-American debater. His favorite subject is English, and in addition to all of his many accomplishments, he wanted me to make sure that I told you and pointed out his stunning good looks. Hassan. Next, we have Brandon Kirkley. Brandon attended Spring Shadows, Berks, Lambkin, Spillane, and Aragon before coming to Cypress Falls. He plans on attending Rhode Island School of Design, Brown University, or Pratt Institute, and wants to major in industrial design. His favorite class is Psychology AP. Brandon is an AP scholar and a member of our Key Club. Congratulations, Brandon. Next, we have Aditi Luthra. Aditi attended Berks and Aragon before coming to Cypress Falls. Although undecided about where she will attend,